your errors will be limited going through the u and the y and that kind of stuff. But you can just do straight away the y dx and find the answer, good. Okay. Then the next technique, that is the product rule. The product rule. Okay. In the product rule, we have our dx, dy dx. Now, in the product rule, we have a function for u, and then we have a function for x. Okay. So you have dy dx multiplied by v. So, like I said, we have the function for u, and then we have a function for v. So, dy dx in this case become v multiplied by du dx plus u multiplied by dv dx. Okay, so then let's see an example. Differentiate with respect to x. Okay, what is in the bracket? That is 3x minus 2 into bracket open again, x squared plus 3. Now we take u to become the first bracket. What is in the first bracket? Then v becomes what is in the second bracket. Okay, u is 3x minus 2, then v is x squared plus 3. Okay, now du dx gives you just 3. Okay, 3x becomes 3, a constant is 0, therefore du dx is 3. Now dv dx is 2x, a constant is 0, therefore dv dx is 2x. Okay, now dy dx is going to be v times du dx plus u dv dx. Okay, what is v? V is x squared plus 3 times du dx. Du dx is 3, then plus u is 3x minus 2, then dv dx is 2x. Okay, up to this level here, that's the difficult part. Once you're able to get it up to this level, you are okay. The rest is just evaluation. Okay, so you cannot expand the bracket, then you arrange it, collect like terms. So we have